Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with Throw It Together Thursday number 5.
Wow.
I know, we've been doing this for a long time now.
5 months. Ooh.
So we are going to be throwing together this week. We are going to be using our sparkles, our thin cuts, our stickers, and our spray pens. Sorry, I have a cheat sheet. So we're going to be using those 4 techniques, and we're going to be throwing together a St. Patrick's Day card. We're going to have fun. I mean, you can make it whatever card you want, but we're just doing the St. Patrick's Day card. So, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, here we go. So we've already set up to get ready for the thin cut. I just wanted to show you, we actually use these 6x6 paper organizers to store our extras of our paper. So this is my New England Ivy one, and I just grabbed the piece out, which is great for the thin cuts and stuff because you're saving paper. So just a organization trick there. So we are going to do, once again, the bigger circle. I'm just going to put that through. Close that up, move it to the side. And then I'm going to have my circle, the inside of my card. And remember, once again, with the washi tape, our trick. Ta-da! So there's our circle. So what we've done is we've actually cut out a shamrock from our Artistry Cricut, and we've made it perfect size to go right into our little porthole. I have my markers once again. As you can see, this is the color thing I used for the video. So I'm just showing you those two again. Those are sap green and vivid green. And I'm also going to do leaf green and pastel green, just to get a few different greens, because I am making a St. Patrick's Day card here. I need a bunch of different greens. This one is super, super light, so a little hard to see. But there's no mistake in doing this. So you can make a bunch of different ones, and then if you decide that that color might not be right for your card, just put it to the side and use it for next time. It's not going to hurt you if you make extras. All right, so see all my greens? Let's make one more of this. And now we'll move back over to making the card. So remember, when you take our cards, there's always going to be that indented area. That's what you want to fold towards. You do not want to fold towards the other end that seems right. You're going to fold towards the not right part. So I'm going to take my spray pen. I'm actually going to take my card open. And what we've put in here is we have put our New England Ivy re-inker. And we have put 5 drops in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to take it from a little bit of a distance and just spray to give that card. This is not watercolor paper, so it might curl a little bit, but if you let it sit, it's gonna come back. If you wanted to, you can make your own cards with our watercolor paper, if that makes you feel better. But I'm just gonna let it curl, and then I'll uncurl it. All right. And there we go. I'm gonna let that dry, and then we'll come back to that. So as you can see, we have our tool cubby out, and I'm going to be taking my thin foam tape, 3D foam tape, and we're bringing back to a really old one. It's some kind of Wonderful, but it has the perfect sticker on it. So I'm going to use this little heart, put that down, use my non-stick scissor, cut an itty bitty piece, place that on there, and then I'll take my powder stock. Perfect color. Matches for the occasion. And I'm going to powder that up. Put my sock away. Ooh, hello baby powder. And there we go. Now I've got that as a pop-up sticker. So now that I've done that, I was using my Versamat while doing all this as a holder. So see, look, it's landed now. So now what we're going to do is I'm also going to use that foam tape to pop this. we're gonna design our card. All right, so I have our glue pen, Bonding Memories glue pen. And I'm going to use this to glue down my shamrock. So this glue, if you let it sit out, remember, will become repositionable, but if you put it down right away, it becomes permanent. And that's what I wanted to do. I can put that down, and then I put my thin 3D foam tape along 4 sides of this porthole. And I'm gonna put that right over my shamrock. Then I'm gonna take my sticker I just made and then put that right in the center. And now let's play around with some gems. Let's see. Well, I like what these look on here. So I'm gonna have to color a few more of these. But then you can also use the other gems. Remember, well, we'll do another thing about this, but you're supposed to do things in triangles. So if I have something there, and if I have something here, I should put something like here. So it's a triangle, so it'll draw your eye. I'll do one here, I'll do one there, and where's my other green one? There it is. And I'll do one there. It's like an acute, obtuse triangle. Yeah, okay. And then let me move this out of the way, and I think that was the sap green that I used there. I'm gonna color 2 more, just to show you that these dry instantly. Able to pick that up and put it right down. And there we go. And for all you super Irish folk out there, I'm gonna write Erin go Bragh.
And that was our Throw It Together Thursday with our St. Patrick's Day card. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you at the end of this month. Bye.
Hey everyone, it's Adele and April with Just Say Scrap.
Yeah, just say scrap. Bye. Adele and April. Or April. No, Ooh, yay! Okay, and that was our Throw It Together Thursday. Yeah? Tuesday? No.
Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. Sorry. Oh, yeah. We'll see you next month. Bye.
It is already next month.
Oh, well. We'll see you at the end of this month. Bye.